Do you like looking at the stars? What if I told you one man changed the way we see the universe, just by looking through a telescope? And guess what? You'll not only hear his amazing story, but also improve your English listening and speaking. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's go back in time. A long time ago, in the year 1564, a baby boy was born in Italy. His name was Galileo Galilei. Galileo loved to learn. He asked many questions. He did not believe something just because someone said it. He wanted to find out the truth for himself. As a boy, Galileo watched things around him. He watched the stars. He watched how things fall. He asked, why do things move? Why do they fall? One day, he saw a lamp swinging in a church. He timed the swing with his heartbeat. This small moment made him curious about motion. Galileo did not stop asking questions. That made him different. Galileo went to school. At first, he studied medicine. But he did not like it. He loved math and physics more. So he changed his subject. Later, he became a teacher. His students liked him. He was smart. But also funny. One day, Galileo heard about a new tool. It was called a telescope. It could make far things look close. He did not make the first telescope. But he made it better. He pointed it to the sky. And what he saw changed the world. Galileo saw the moon. It was not smooth. It had mountains and holes. He looked at Jupiter. He saw 4 small stars moving around it. But wait, those were not stars. They were moons going around Jupiter. This was new. Nobody saw this before. Back then, people believed Earth was the center of the universe. But Galileo said, no, the sun is the center. The Earth moves around it. Many people got angry. Especially the church. They said, you are wrong, Galileo. They told him to stop teaching this. But Galileo had seen the proof. He believed in science. In 1633, Galileo was put on trial. He was told to say, I am wrong. If he didn't, he would be punished. So Galileo said, I am wrong. But many people think he whispered, and yet, it moves. He meant, the Earth still moves around the sun. Galileo was kept in his house for the rest of his life. He could not go out. He could not teach. But he still wrote books. He still studied. He never gave up. Today, we remember Galileo as the father of modern science. Because of him, we know more about space, motion, and gravity. He taught us this: don't stop asking questions. Look for answers. Believe in what you see with your own eyes. Did you enjoy Galileo's story? If yes, say it with me, I will keep asking questions. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in English using the word telescope or the moon in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more English stories like this.